Hello, Chef Michael McDermott here with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we are making Italian beef sandwich, and we also have some grilled pineapple and some lovely Hawaiian macadamia vanilla coffee. Just a sec. Okay, we are making Italian beef sandwiches. This is a quick dinner. You know, I said I'm going to throw myself a quick dinner, and I said, what the heck, I'll show you guys. Now on here I have a little bit of salt and some Italian seasonings, okay? Then what I did was I got some sourdough bread, I grilled that, and I got some onions and peppers grilling here. Then I got my preference on here on an Italian beef sandwich. I've got some provolone. And in a second I'm going to show you how we'll put that together. Also, I had the pleasure today of getting a bridge in my mouth from my dentist, and the wonderful, very accomplished master's degree world-class horse trainer, also a dental hygienist, was nice enough to give me some beautiful coffee, and I can't resist it. I opened up the bag. It's from Hawaii. I opened up the bag and it just hit me in the face, and I said, I gotta make some coffee. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to put this Italian beef sandwich together. Very quick, very easy. Now, what I did was I cooked some onions and peppers as I was showing you, but I didn't cook them all the way, right? So they're still a little raw inside. Now I'm going to put some of that on top of the beef that I have laid out here in a heat-proof pan. And as you can see, I got my my fruit going here. I'm just going to grill this a little bit. I'm not cooking this pineapple all the way through. And I'm telling you, grilled pineapple is fantastic. Then I'm just going to put the cheese on here, okay? Then I'm going to put this in the broiler real quick. About a minute, and I'll show you how we're going to put the sandwich together in the whole plate. Okay, here it is. Italian beef on grilled sourdough bread. Absolutely delicious. Provolone cheese on top, some grilled onions, and I got this beautiful grilled pineapple as a starter. Then obviously I'm going to have a beautiful cup of piping hot macadamia vanilla coffee from Hawaii, courtesy of Heather. Also, I want to thank Dr. Meyer for my crown today, because without that I wouldn't be able to eat this sandwich. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.